What's up, Sharks? This is Mr. O for the second set of flip notes for matter. This is the second part, what's going to be on your quiz. So your quiz will be based on this set of notes and the notes previous to this. This is properties of matter and how heat affects matter. First, we got to talk about what a property is. So if you look at this sneaker right here, it is things used to describe something. So if I was going to have one of the students come up in front of the class and I was going to describe them, I would use properties for them, meaning their hair color, their eye color, their height, what makes them unique. Moving on to the three properties of matter, and I wrote this in huge all caps, is do not confuse this with the three states of matter. The most common thing I see with students is that they see the word three properties of matter and they tell me solid, liquid, gas, when it's really not what I'm looking for. So the three properties of matter that you need to know is the first is mass, definite or not definite. The second is volume. That would be definite or not definite. Not definite just means if it's not determined. It has mass, but they can't determine it exactly every single time. And the third thing is shape, either definite or not definite. Now you relate this with the three states of matter, because all states of matter have shape, mass, and volume, but they are not the three states of matter. So three properties: mass, volume, and shape. So we're going on to the heat's effect on matter. The first definition you need to know is the atoms, and they move faster and spread apart when heat is added. So the big thing you need to know with heat on matter, when you add heat, they move faster. If you take away heat, the opposite happens. They would move slower. Second definition is change in phase. Change in phase is the change in the movement of the atoms that can lead to a change in phase, meaning if you take a solid and you heat it, it will become a liquid. Or if you heat a liquid, it will become a gas. Or if you heat a gas, it can become a plasma. But if you take away heat, it can become another. So change in phase is talking about the states of matter, but how they get to each other. And this will lead to our last definition, which is state of matter. And adding or removing heat can change the state of matter. And I have a picture of two snowmen. One's holding up the other one with a hairdryer, because if that guy does not give that robber his carrot nose, she will turn the hair blower on and it will melt him, causing a change in state. So, three definitions, three properties, and what property is. All right, see you next class.